Well, the system headed our way packed quite a wallop in Oklahoma. Just to the west of us, rain and straight-line winds damaged the Riverwind Hotel and Casino in Oklahoma last night. The hotel has been evacuated for repairs. However, the casino remains open. You're going to see some cell phone video in just a moment. There it is of the storm at its height. These cars were caught right near a potential tornado. Fortunately for us, though, Paul, the system that's headed our way already here lost much of its punch, so we're not going to see a lot of that.
Right. It's kind of shaping up more or less the way we thought it would, with the severe threat staying out to our west and now the rain knocking on our doorstep as we're getting closer to sunset. It does look like it's going to move through a little faster, though, so that's good. Even better news. We're going to get some rain, but we'll get it out of here, too. Yeah. Checking out where the rain is right now, it's all along the Tennessee River. Let's zoom in for a closer look once again at where the heaviest rain is falling from western Stewart County and eastern Henry County down through the length of Benton County, especially the northern half of Benton County. Some of that has now crept over into Humphreys County as well. Farther down the line, showers are a little more scattered as we look down towards Perry and Decatur County. Same thing for Hardin, Wayne counties, over into Hickman and Lewis counties as well. A little bit of shower activity, but all of this is staying well to the west of I-65 so far. We'll zoom out and put everything in motion. There's nothing happening from Nashville to the east, just a lot of cloud cover, but this moisture moving up from the south, there's plenty more where that came from, down to our south in Alabama especially. So this is going to get fed up towards us as we head through the rest of this evening and overnight tonight. In the meantime, if you have some outdoor plans this evening in and around Nashville, there's just some cloud cover overhead. It's warm. It's very breezy out there, so make sure if you're going to eat outside, make sure the napkins are weighed down. Temperature stands at 77 degrees right now in Nashville, also 77 in Smyrna and Lebanon, way above average for this time of year, but say goodbye to these above average temperatures. We're going to be dropping once that heaviest rain moves in early tomorrow morning. In fact, let's check out the temperature loop on Futurecast here and show you where things are going to stand. We stay around 70 degrees through about 10 o'clock this evening, but you're going to be able to see that sudden drop that happens as we head towards early tomorrow morning, and you can just see that rain cooled air spreading out around sunrise. We drop to around 60, and then we just hover near 60 degrees throughout much of the day on Monday. The farther west you go, you're going to be in the 50s for most of the day as that cooler air makes its eastward progress. If we get enough sun peeking through the clouds, we might warm back up to around 63 or 64, but that's going to be about it. Checking out Futurecast's version of what the radar is going to look like. It's got a pretty good handle on where the rain is at the moment. As we go through the evening and overnight hours, we see scattered showers giving way to more widespread rain as that slug of moisture down south makes its way up towards us. And the heaviest rain is going to fall for most of the mid-state in those hours just before the sun comes up. So by the time the commute is really getting going, even though the heaviest rain might be off to the east of I-65, it's still going to be sloppy on the road. So plan on some extra time if you're already planning that far ahead, and well, good for you if you are. The heaviest rain should move off the Cumberland Plateau by midday. That doesn't mean that we're done with the shower chances. More scattered showers are going to kind of rotate through as we head through the afternoon into the evening, and even some lingering showers overnight Monday night. But again, that heaviest rain moving farther off to the east removes even the outside chance of any flooding happening across the area. So that's not a concern. Severe weather isn't a concern. Just a good soaking rain. It's mostly going to be out of here by Tuesday. We'll leave a slight shower chance in the forecast just to be on the safe side, but I'm not too concerned about it. It is going to be cooler, though. Only low 60s for highs Tuesday and Wednesday. Back up to about 70 Thursday and Friday with the next chance of showers, maybe a few thunderstorms headed our way for the first half of next weekend, but the timing on that is kind of tenuous right now. So we'll keep you posted as next weekend gets a little bit closer. For now, though, it's time to check in on numbers of a different sort, and we're talking football numbers. Let's go over to Big Joe.
Great lead in, Paul. Up next in sports, back to Cleveland for the